You are ready to finalize the OKOS product worksheet. You create and manage a second worksheet and then apply page setup options to prepare the worksheets for printing. You want to copy the worksheet, move it to the right side of the original worksheet, and rename the duplicate worksheet so that you can show formulas on the duplicate sheet. When you right-click a sheet tab, a menu displays so that you can perform actions with the worksheet. When you select Move or Copy, a dialog box opens. You need to select the Create a Copy checkbox. If you don't, Excel will move the worksheet instead of copying it. The duplicate worksheet is named Sheet 1, 2, and is placed to the left of the original worksheet. You moved the duplicate worksheet to the right side of the original worksheet. The default worksheet name, Sheet 1, is not meaningful. You rename the worksheet so that you know the data is for the month of September. You rename the duplicate worksheet Formulas because you will display formulas on this worksheet. The result of the formulas display on the September sheet, and the actual formulas display on the Formulas sheet. You adjusted the column widths so that the entire formulas display within the worksheet. Currently, if you were to print the formulas worksheet, the data would print on 2 pages. When the data is wider than it is tall, you might want to print it in landscape orientation, adjust the margins, and change the scaling. In this activity, you will make changes to both worksheets at the same time. Both worksheets are grouped together as indicated by Group after the file name on the title bar. Anything you do on one sheet affects both sheets. Both worksheets are formatted in landscape orientation. Margins control the space between the edges of a page and the data. Instead of setting left and right margins until the dataset is balanced horizontally, you can select the horizontally option to automatically center the dataset between the left and right margins. The Fit To option ensures that each sheet fits on one page. Headers and footers are often used to help document a worksheet. In addition to inserting specific text, you can include fields to display the current workbook file name and worksheet name. The header or footer window contains left, center, and right sections to enter text or fields. You can type text and insert fields in the header. For example, when you insert the sheet name field, the name of the sheet displays in the header. If you change the sheet name, the header will reflect the new name. After entering text for a header or footer, you can change back to normal view to display the worksheet without showing the header or footer. You should always spell check a workbook before publishing it. After you apply the desired page setup options, insert a header or footer, and check the spelling, you are ready to print the worksheet. Verify the print settings display the correct printer and other details you want before clicking Print. Check each page in Print Preview. You adjusted the page orientation so the data fits better on a printed page. Set a top margin, and selected the option to center the worksheet data horizontally between the margins. In addition, you created a header to document the worksheet, adjusted the print scaling, and printed a copy of the formulas. The OKOS pricing information worksheet is now complete.